OneUp Trader Investing Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get funded trader programs wrong. They assume only elite professionals qualify. The surprising truth about OneUp Trader is how it helps aspiring traders demonstrate skill and earn funding, and you won't believe how structured the process is. Here's how it works. OneUp Trader provides evaluation programs where traders manage demo accounts under real market conditions. Successful performance can lead to funded trading accounts with proprietary trading firms. For example, a trader who consistently meets risk and profit targets can advance from a practice account to managing real capital. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's luck-based, but OneUp Trader evaluates performance using clear metrics, including risk management, consistency, and profit. Additional features include coaching resources, trade analytics, and flexible evaluation options. Traders can choose different account sizes, timeframes, and leverage levels to match their skills. However, there are considerations. There is a cost to participate in evaluations, and not all applicants will receive funding. Most people assume funding is guaranteed. It depends entirely on meeting strict evaluation criteria. And conclusion. OneUp Trader is ideal for disciplined traders looking to gain access to capital without risking their own money. Its structured program and analytics provide a transparent path to professional trading opportunities. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of trading and investing platforms.